This video clip will show you how to access and assign extra practice activities, which you can set as homework. These activities are graded automatically by the system, so you can see how well your students have mastered the course material. The extra practice activities in Team Together offer practice of the grammar and vocabulary from the course. Extra practice activities can be previewed on the Resources screen. You'll notice that in Student Resources, there are also vocabulary and grammar games for students, but these are not assignable. In order to assign activities, you first need to set up your classes. Once you have done this, select the class you want. Then click on the 3 dots in the top right-hand corner. Choose Assignments to see Assignable Extra Practice Activities. Here you can select which activities to assign, when they need to be delivered, how many times students can do the activity, and who will get the activity. You can also add your own instructions if you want students to have some more information. Once you have finished, click Assign at the bottom of the page. When you assign an activity, it will show in your students' homework area on the Pearson English portal. Students can do the assigned activity at home or in a school computer lab. The activities will be graded automatically, and you will see the results instantly under Performance. The Performance tab allows you to see the results of the whole class, as well as of individual students. You can choose to see the first or last attempt, average or highest score. With this tool, you can quickly assess how much of the new material students have mastered and what additional support they might need. If you select the Students tab, you will see more detail on individual students' results. On selecting Overview, you will see all information related to the class. Students will be able to access all assigned activities. Even after the set delivery date has passed, the activities will still be available as past homework, so students can return to them, for example, before a test. We have now discussed the assignable activities for Team Together. To learn about the remaining digital components, please watch the other videos in the series.